Do you clean windows, walls, or outdoor areas before a sale?
Yes, and we highly recommend it. Clean windows, spotless walls, and tidy outdoor areas are some of the most noticeable features during an open home or property inspection. They let in more light, make rooms feel bigger, and give buyers confidence that the home has been well maintained. Here's what we offer as part of or in addition to your pre-sale cleaning. Windows. Internal window and glass door cleaning is standard. External window cleaning available on request, up to 4 levels. Walls. Spot cleaning of marks, fingerprints, light stains, full wall wash available if required. Outdoors. Sweeping and pressure washing of front entryways, patios, balconies, decks, and garages. Cobweb and debris removal from outdoor walls and corners. Outdoor furniture wipe down. Buyers will notice if the entryway is dirty, the balcony smells musty, or the windows are streaky. That's why we treat exterior details as seriously as we treat kitchens and bathrooms. And it's a key reason why our homes consistently stand out in buyer campaigns across Melbourne.